Hey there, and welcome to SciTech. Today, we're exploring a big question. Is AI smarter than humans? We hear about AI a lot these days, but what is it really? Imagine a super smart robot that can do things on its own, like helping you with homework or even playing games with you. But does that mean it's smarter than us? Let's jump in and find out together. All right, so what exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like teaching a computer to think and solve problems, kind of like us. Imagine if you could show a robot how to recognize your favorite animal, and it could remember it every time. AI is like giving computers a brain. But don't worry, it's not like a human brain. Instead, it follows a list of instructions and patterns to learn things. For example, AI can learn to spot your favorite cartoon character by looking at a lot of pictures and finding patterns in them. So, how does AI actually learn? It's a bit like us learning through practice. AI learns by looking at tons of information or data and then figuring out what's common, just like you might learn to recognize a friend's face by seeing them every day. This is called machine learning. For example, an AI can learn to recognize cats by looking at a bunch of cat pictures. And there's another type called deep learning, where AI can even tell the difference between different dog breeds or types of food. So AI is like a really fast learner, but it needs lots of practice. Now that we know how AI learns, let's look at some of the cool things it can do. AI helps doctors find illnesses by looking at X-rays, or helps you get the best route on a map. Some AI can even play chess better than world champions. And there are robots that can create music or write stories. But while AI is super smart in certain things, it only knows what it's been taught. For example, it might be able to draw a cat but wouldn't know how to play soccer because it hasn't learned it. AI is amazing, but it has limits. So, is AI smarter than humans? Well, it's both yes and no. AI can do certain things faster than us, like adding big numbers or recognizing patterns. But it doesn't have feelings, imagination, or the ability to think creatively like we do. Humans have something special called common sense and creativity, which means we can imagine new things, dream up stories, and even solve problems in different ways. AI is great at following instructions, but it doesn't understand things deeply like we do. So, while AI can be smart, humans have a unique way of thinking that's hard for any machine to match. There are some questions people have about AI, like, what if it gets too smart? Or, could it take over human jobs? Right now, AI is created to help us, not to replace us. But it's important for people to make good decisions when building AI so that it stays safe and helpful. And while AI might be able to do some jobs, it can also create new kinds of work for people. It's all about using AI responsibly and making sure we remember what makes us human. So, there you have it. AI is amazing at some things and can be a powerful tool. But it's also important to remember what makes humans special: creativity, feelings, and big ideas. AI isn't really smarter than us. It just learns differently. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed learning about AI, hit the like button, subscribe for more fun facts, and tell us in the comments, what would you teach your own AI robot? We'd love to know.